first thing we're going to do is look at our lathe book. So if you turn to page 6. So we're just going on to page 6 and we're going to look at each component of this, right? So if you look at this, we'll start with number 1, which is actually your lathe bed, which is this. This is going to be your tailstock. And then you've got your hand wheel. So that is for our tail, that's on our tail, to put our tailstock on and off. I'll show you how to do all that. Now that's important because if something happens and you need to turn it off, you gotta know where that switch is.